Now, the morning after your hair transplant is very, very important. Now, most people wake up the next day after their hair transplant feeling so groggy, tired, sleepy, sometimes even confused because they don't know what to do after their hair transplant, first 12 hours after your hair transplant. Now, if this is you about to go for a hair transplant and you're wondering, how will I feel after my hair transplant, especially you don't know what to expect, I'm here to tell you that you're going to feel so groggy and tired. But I'm going to tell you ways to prevent that feeling after your hair transplant. If you're coming across this video for the first time, my name is Dr. Chafo. I'm a hair transplant surgeon, a hair loss coach. I've helped thousands of my clients regain confidence through hair regrowth and hair transplant. Now, I've had so many clients who had hair transplant. After the hair transplant, the next day we get several messages. Say, hey doc, I'm still sleepy. I'm tired. I don't know what to do. I'm like, we talked about all this before your hair transplant, and that's why your post-op instructions are very important even before you do hair transplant. So if this is you, you're dealing with hair loss and you've been thinking about a hair transplant, or you don't even know the options that you have out there, make an appointment with us at Having That Hair Restoration. Somebody from my team will get in touch with you. Guess what? We offer free virtual consultation at no charge, free. 7 days a week. Make that appointment and someone from my team will get in touch with you. Here are 3 important things you need to do after your hair transplant. This I'm talking about the morning after your hair transplant. Once you wake up, the first thing you need to do, hydrate. Lots of water. You need to drink, drink, and this is just water. No caffeinated drink, no caffeinated beverages, no soda, none of that. Just water. Please drink as much as you can, as long as you don't have any issues with your kidneys or your heart. You don't have any problems with water retention. You need to drink as much as you can because remember, you had all this medication in your system, so you need to drink lots of water so that you also improve blood flow to the area of hair transplant so that your hair transplant will grow. So hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. So this leads me to my point number 2, which is rest. Yes, rest. You need to rest. You need to cancel our appointments. I just want you to Netflix and chill at home the next day. You actually be too tired to even talk to anyone the next day. So if you have any major meetings, you need to cancel it or you need to move it. I don't even want you to step out of the house to go running or jogging. No, I just want you to sit at home and just relax and rest and recover from the strenuous procedure you just had. So if you've had any meetings, and you're about to go for a hair transplant and you know you have a meeting the next day, please, it's not advisable. It's not advisable to schedule a major meeting or go for a major event after your hair transplant the next day. So if this is you about to go for a hair transplant, remember, number 1 is hydrate, number 2 is resting. And this leads me to my point number 3. So number 3 is you need to, as soon as you can, once you've hydrated, once you've rested, pick up your aftercare instructions. You need to read that. You need to go through because most aftercare instructions, let me tell you the secret, they usually put in the first 24 hours, what you need to watch out for, what you need to do, the first 1 week, what you need to do and what you need to watch out for, the first 30 days, the first 60 days, and a couple of months after that. So these are instructions you need to follow. I always tell my clients, if you don't see it in the post-op instructions, do not do it. Whatever you have in mind to ask me is in the post-op instructions. It's already written down. So if you have to ask it, look at those instructions and you will find your answers. So as soon as you can, pick up those instructions so that you can start your aftercare instructions as soon as possible. How to wash your hair, how to scrub your scalp. You need to know all those instructions, when to do all that. So summary of what I've said, let's recap a little bit. Number 1, what to do the next day after your hair transplant procedure. Number 1 is to hydrate, water, no caffeinated drink. Number 2 is rest. Don't schedule any major meetings or don't have any major meetings after your hair transplant. And the final point is pick up your aftercare instructions and go through it and know what to do each day. So look at those instructions. You're going to see when to start using your topical medication, when to wash your hair, when to scrub your scalp, and what to watch out for. So all those things are clearly written down in your post-op instructions. So I know if you're going to go for hair transplant surgery, please, 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 it's very important for you to know what happens after the hair transplant so that you don't waste your time, waste your money, the stress, and lose those grafts. You don't want to do that. So these instructions are very important. Now, if you've loved this video, I'm sure you're going to love every of my videos. So head over to YouTube. YouTube name is Dr. Chafu. And if you know someone or you are the person dealing with hair loss and you've been thinking and it's been bothering you about your hair loss, now this is the right time for you to stop, make that appointment, book that appointment with us at Havila Hair Restoration. Somebody from my team will get in touch with you because we offer free virtual appointments. Someone from my team will get in touch with you and talk to you and find out what you want and how we can help you. Until next time, bye bye.